Hey, YouTube fam, want to hit that 4,000
YouTube
milestone
views.
faster than you ever thought possible? Imagine skyrocketing your channel's watch time in just 72 hours. Sounds crazy, right? Well, buckle up, because today I'm spilling the secrets to turbocharging your watch hours and blowing past that threshold in record time. Stay tuned as we dive into the exact strategies, hacks, and tips you need to turn your content into a binge-worthy sensation. Ready to transform your channel? Let's dive in and make those watch hours soar. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our game-changing tips.
So we are going to use the video I uploaded on my channel, the one that has 22 views. So what you are going to do is you are going to click on the video. After you click, you're gonna need to copy the URL. After you copy the link, you're gonna have to follow step by step. I also have a better idea that you can double up your watch time even better. So you have to watch the video step by step. Make sure that you don't miss anything. You need to paste your link. After you paste your link, and then you see enter the number of views that you want. So if your PC is that strong, you can enter up to 100. You have to make sure that your internet connection is very strong and your PC is also strong. So after you paste your URL, put the number of views that you want. So once you put the number of views, I'm gonna show you something quick. As you can see, this video has 22 views. So want to see the results after this method. I can't confirm the watch hour. Why? Because it takes time to update. Go ahead and play each and every video. After that, I'm gonna show you a coolest way that you can double up watch hour and your views. Like I said, just follow the video step by step. You won't be disappointed.
You can do this over and over more than 10 taps as long as your internet and your PC is strong. But personally, I wouldn't recommend you to do that because it's just watch hours you're getting. You need organic subscribers. Organic subscribers are essential for sustainable success because they represent genuine interest in your content or product. Unlike paid subscribers, these individuals actively choose to engage with your brand, leading to higher loyalty, better engagement rates, and more meaningful interactions. This natural growth not only enhances your credibility, but also proves more cost-effective and resilient over time, as it relies on quality and authenticity rather than temporary promotions. Building an organic subscriber base fosters a loyal community that contributes to long-term success and valuable feedback.
To the city streets, we began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young